between the lions and the leopards, she's sure to find another kill. With patience and a great sense of smell, she patrols their territories from corner to corner. A leopard's skill is to kill swiftly and feed quietly to avoid attracting such scavengers. Ntombi has killed again. She returns to the tree where she stashed a deca carcass. First, she checks that she hasn't been followed. The kill is still intact and far from the reaches of scavengers. And yet Ntombia's nervous. She keeps looking to make sure she is alone.